Watch me do front brakes on a Cadillac Escalade.
Make sure you all tell me what I'm doing wrong so I can cry myself to sleep tonight. I really value all of your opinions. Oh yeah. You like that shit? Come on, bitch. Fuck! Stay there, whore. Get yourself this right here. Save some fucking time. You know why I don't like electric tools? Because you can't put a fucking swivel on them and do that. Fuck. Technically you can, but it seems like when you use swivels on electric impact, it shakes like a query in a hot dog. Look at that shit, don't get much easier than that. Maybe I'll snap these set screws off so I can use the torch. Just to make someone angry. You like that shit? Delicious. Ow, motherfucker. Wow, even the slide pin's smooth. God threw me a bone on this one. He's like, here, you've been suffering lately. I'll give you an easy one. I haven't done a brake job in a while. It's nice to get some gravy once in a while. Been doing nothing but fucking engines and trannies, which is fine. I kind of prefer doing that, honestly. Click. Click. Wow. Whoa, brother. So slippery. Put some blueberry yogurt up on that thing. You know what? A lot of people don't like the way I put on brake grease, but I have never had a brake job come back. And this is how I've done every single one of them, so Works just fine for me. The good news is, you absolutely do not have to do it like this. You can do it however pleases your heart. And if you have a problem with it, let me play my little tiny violin for you while you cry about it. Listen, I know I don't always do shit the right way, or by the book or whatever, the standard, but it fucking works for me, so see you later. I feel like fucking Picasso over here. That's all, folks.